Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice iconic silver coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the trailer tow package as well as the sport package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera, mud flaps on the rear, a nice gripped running board with the side view camera, blind spot detection, and turn light indicator mirrors. We do have a nice hood deflector, front park sensing with 2 tow hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black perforated leathering, plenty of door space, brown leathering with a B&O sound system. Got 2 cup holders right there, 2 heated back seats with a 12-volt USB and a USB-C, and 120 just right there. And looking right here, we do have 2 cup holders and some arm space. And of course, you can always lift up the seats if you need additional space as well. Taking a look on the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats. The same black leathering we saw on the back there. Plenty of door space. Memory seating for up to 3 drivers. That B&O sound system. Parking brake, pedal adjusters, lights, blind spot, and tailgate opener just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 581 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control right there. And looking at your main screen here, we do have My View, trip and fuel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. Looking over here, leather-wrapped gear shift with your speed adjusters. It's also collapsible, providing more space. Nice little storage there. Cup holders, wireless charging pad with storage, USB and USB-C. This does close. We do have a nice little leather-wrapped center console with tons of storage underneath. We do have our drive modes, rear locking differential, and 4-wheel drive. Trailer disconnect, Pro Trailer Assist. Heated and cooled front seats with your heated steering wheel function there. Dual climate, 12-volt, 120. Looking there, you got storage, as well as right there. Brown leathering on the dash, as well as storage above. We do have a nice rear window opener, which is pretty handy. And our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. Looking right here, we do have our auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park sensing, hazards, and traction. Looking at your main screen here, we're just going to go to audio real quick. We do have Sirius XM capabilities, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings. Oh, not settings, my bad. Phone, and you can see what phone's been previously connected. Navigation. Favorite apps, messaging, email, Wi-Fi hotspot, powered tailgate, apps in general, or any apps you have downloaded. Settings. As well as your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KF32561, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.